Heat from powder coating and paint bake ovens. Assembly of oily, bare metals. They're both challenges for ordinary adhesives. The solution? The Metal Bonder acrylic adhesive from 3M. Now you can securely bond oily metals like cold-rolled steel, as well as copper, bronze, aluminum, steel, and more. 3M's versatile metal bonder delivers a bond that holds strong even during high-temperature processes like powder coating and wet paint ovens, yet it can also be used post-powder coating. This structural adhesive is our improved option that solves the challenge of bonding oily metals while delivering a bond that holds strong in extreme applications. From consumer goods and furniture to transportation, 3M helps manufacturers create lighter, stronger products while improving production efficiencies.